Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Tuesday market webcast. Okay, not a ton to talk about this morning, except that we are starting to consolidate here underneath highs on either side of 4,700. So it's just basically a continuation of the discussion that we had yesterday. The bulls really couldn't take it up yesterday. They couldn't even take it really above the opening print for the regular session in and around 46.06, area. They printed 07 really early on. We never revisited it. And the bears had huge difficulty taking out during the regular session the hourly mid-band. They had a run at it in the noon hour, 86.75, but we spent most of the day. So here's your 07 print. And we really spent most of the day just grinding in this box. They took it down a little bit overnight. They bring it right back up. So we're consolidating. You see the tight Bollinger Bands on the hourly. And this is what you expect. We consolidate, we expand, we consolidate, we expand. During the consolidation, either it's going to set up well for your trading style or it's not going to set up well for your trading style. Yesterday did not set up well for my trading style. So what did we do? We did a lot less. We got small. We did no trade zones. We followed our rules, the rules where we always trade, but when the ranges aren't moving enough to get the minimum stuff paid, it's very rare. But yesterday was just one of those days. And, after doing this for over 10 years, you just kind of chalk it up to, hey, look, not every style is going to fit into every day. And the maturation, the evolution of people as traders, me included, is understanding, look, this day does not set up for your style. So you can trade this thing 50 times and bang yourself into the ground. Or you can trade your rules a few times, see what you can get going, and it is what it is. So as we head into today, I continue to see this consolidation box, and we haven't really done a box since back here, and then we broke out of the box and we really ran. I'm not saying we're going to break out of the box and run 300-400 handles. What I am saying is periods of consolidation happen. Had it here, here, and now here. It's the way of the world. It's the inhale and exhale of the market is a good way to think of it. So market is taking a big deep breath in. Does it last more than today? Maybe, maybe not. I mean, we've come up a really long way. And after getting the jobs report and after getting the Fed out of the way, it's a very nice excuse for the market just to pause here and take a look at what it wants to do and what it doesn't want to do, while dealing with a variety of headlines that mean a little, and none of them collectively really mean a whole heck of a lot one way or the other. So you've got volume weighted average price 46.89, hourly mid-band 46.90. The current chop zone is like 94 to 97, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. And your daily pivot is 91.75. So I'm just keeping an open mind heading into the open. We'll trade our rules, see what we can get, and we'll go from there. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Mark your calendars. Next Thursday, the 18th, I will be doing the free live training in our private Facebook group. It's free to join. Come on in and join. I'm going to think about what I want the topic to be, but mark your calendars, November 18th at noon for the private training. All right, have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you soon.